Yo, what's happening? Man, we back in the man cave again for another one of these things, man. Y'all already know how it go, and if you don't, I'ma tell you. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. My name is Belo. Hey, how you doing? Also known as Mr. Anime. I got links in the description that you can follow. I put links in there on stuff that I buy that you might need and can use. So, with that being said, go ahead, consider subscribing, like the video. To all the ones that are not new, go ahead, like, comment. Y'all know what to do, man. Sit back. We finna take a ride, and yeah. So, the video from yesterday with my steering wheel cover crumbling to pieces. So I got me a little workstation here, and this is what we got going on. So I went and got some JB wheel, and we putting it back together. So what I'm using Gorilla tape to set it in the place where it needs to be, and you know what I'm saying, so it'll hold it. And then I just sand that off later, or take that off, or whatever I'm gonna do. I'll do that later. I might leave it, I don't know. But yeah. So yeah, I got some, well, duct tape. It's supposed to be extra strength duct tape, but I'm doing it. So I'm taking off a little piece, put it on the crack part, then run the epoxy down off in the cracks, and letting it settle like that. So yeah, that's how we doing it. So let me get back to work with doing that. Hopefully I have a full steering wheel cover by the time I come back in here. And yeah. I already talked to KJ, so if this don't work, then he said he gonna call and see if I can get another one. He said he might have one at the house though, but yeah. So I'll see. But yeah, man, like, what's the odds of this crazy shit? Did the glue eat it up? The sun or something? It's kept in the garage, so how did it even happen? So I don't know, but yeah, some made it brittle. I don't know what, but some made it brittle. So yeah, that's where we at. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get my heat gun and speed this process up though. That's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, let me go ahead and get these other pieces on here, and I'll hit y'all back, man. Alright, y'all, so we moved to the kitchen table. Yeah, so I think what I'm gonna do, I got tape, I got my heat gun. So I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and tape these two. 1, 2, 3, so these, it's gonna be 3 joints. So tape them 3 joints, and then put the epoxy down off in there. Sure, it's a lot more lift in there. I don't know what's up with that, but I have to push that through to get the rest of it out. But yeah, so let me go ahead and tape these, and I got enough light. I'll tape these joints, man. It's crazy though, man. Like, I'm trying to figure out how that happened. Like, did it eat it up? Did the adhesive eat it up or something? I don't know. But yeah, let's get to it, man. Alright, y'all, we got a full circle. It's a little uneven. Well, it was a little uneven on this side, but I got it straightened back out. But so I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna let this dry for however long it needs to dry. Just let it sit in there. Look at that. Let's see what that is. Hold on. Yeah, we back. So, yeah, man, we got I got the tape on there, man, and some braces. So hopefully that'll keep the glue in place so it can go on and get hard and keep everything how it's supposed to be, and it don't come apart. That's still a gap right there, look like. And I ain't got no more glue. I got some super glue somewhere. Put some super glue down off in it. But yeah, so hopefully that stay, but we got a full circle now. Like I said, KJ still looking to see KJ said he gonna look to see if he got one at home. He said he had an extra one, but I came out here and cleaned the steering wheel off last night. So that junk it has no more glue on it. Has no glue. And yeah. So chances are, if he don't get another one, they say I can get another one though. Well, Mike, Kyle, he said I can get another one. There ain't no problem. So KJ said he was gonna text this guy, call this guy and see, you know what I'm saying, what if I can get another one or whatever and what's the price on it. So if that don't work when I try to wrap that one, then I might just get another one. But yeah, that's crazy how they did that though. Like how? But I think this time once I do wrap it, I think I'm gonna do another process or something, man. I'm gonna have to, I don't even know if I dried it, cause this glue feels still kind of sticky, like it was kind of wet, like. So I don't know if I didn't dry it, cause it's still tacky. You know what I'm saying? That adhesive that I used still tacky, so I don't know what it was. But you can see, like, y'all see that? How that's still, like, that don't supposed to still be shining and stuff like that. Like, it's still sticky, like fresh. So what I'm gonna do when I get the other material and wrap it, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it on, let it sit for a second, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply put it on there, apply what I need to, and then do it that way. And then I'm gonna put the heat gun on it too, cause I don't think I did that last time. I don't think I put the heat gun on it, or I don't think I let it sit for a minute. And I think you're supposed to let that sit for a second before you do that. So it's just a lesson learned. I ain't really tripping. You know what I'm saying? It's just, it kind of blew my mind, like, how that even do that? But it's all good. We ain't gonna trip. So yeah. What else? I don't know. I said I was gonna do better with this camera. Yeah. So I don't know. I be trying to, you know what I'm saying, be slick with the camera and hold it like that right here. Man, you gotta hold it on like that right here. Man, I can't do that, dog. Like I be trying, but I can't. But yeah, so we got a full circle here. Let's see if I can put something in this gap real quick. If I got some more glue. I thought I had some more. Nope, I done moved it again, and now I don't know where it's at again. But I had some super glue and I had it sitting up here. I don't know what I done used it for, but it's gone again. Oh, yeah. Let me see. Let's see here. What's this? Nope. Push come to shove, I'll just go on. Push come to shove, I'll go and buy some more if I need to. If I feel like it ain't. If I feel like it ain't bonding correctly, then I'll go and try to grab some more or whatever. But I'll put some of this. Man, still got some more glue sticks. I'll put some of that down up in there. With this glue gun. Some more glue sticks. So yeah, I ain't gonna worry about it, man. Like, it's not that big of a deal right now. It'll get done when it get done. I ain't gonna trip, but yeah. So I'm gonna let this sit for. It says let it sit for. I think it's full cured at an hour. Where that box is. I think it's fully cured. That ain't it. Let's see. 5 sets in 5 minutes, cures in 1 hour. If temperature is below 40, then set time is longer. So it said it'll set in an hour. It'll cure in an hour. So it's 5:10 right now. So I'm gonna see what it look like at 6:10, 7 o'clock. Whenever I remember something like that, and I'll see. So yeah. Until then, it's a waiting game. So I guess we waiting. I don't even know what else to talk about. So I guess I'll just hit y'all around about that time. See what's happening. BeeloNation. Y'all remember these shirts here? Y'all remember them? It's vintage BeeloNation right there, boy. That's my first start, not even knowing what the hell going on type. But yeah. Oh, I got something to show y'all too. I just wrote some. I've been writing. I wrote some stuff on my calendar, man. Look at this. Valley Homecoming, as in Mississippi Valley Homecoming, Midwest Fest. Y'all on the clock, man. I'm trying to make it to y'all. So if anybody in those areas, if anybody in those 2 areas right there, man, Mississippi Valley, Midwest Fest, be looking for your boy, man. I'm trying to make it out there. I ain't making no promises, but I'm trying to make it out there. So yeah, just put that on your mind. But yeah, let me go back to doing what I was doing, letting this cure night hit y'all when I feel like it's alright. Alright. 7:17. Yeah. I went over there and tapped on it a couple times, but I ain't really, you know what I'm saying? I ain't really do a whole lot. I really had got deep into this book I'm reading, man. Happiest Man on Earth. I'm a part of I don't want to say a book club, but it may be a book club. It's on Facebook, man. It's one of my childhood neighbors. He started it. So we have a book a month. You know what I'm saying? We have to read a book each month. My other book, yeah. I don't know. I think I put it on here, but I probably didn't. But this book right here is what this was the first book that we read for January, Atomic Habits by James Clear. And now that book was real good, man. It's as you're seeing on the cover, it says tiny changes, remarkable results. Yeah, man, it's all about habit forming. You know what I'm saying? How to change your habits, how to compound your habits, and you know what I'm saying, make stuff that you know you need to be doing attractive, and make the stuff that you don't need to be doing unattractive. And it gives you steps and ways of how to do that. So I think it was a good read. Especially for, just for everyday life, but business owners and, you know, people that's trying to do stuff in life. You know what I'm saying? It's a good look. But yeah, so we here. That's stuck on that. So yeah, we got a full circle again. Still ain't fully cured though. Still ain't fully dry. So I'm gonna leave it. But it's better than what it was. I'm gonna let it stay where it's at. And then I might come back and I might come back and once it dries, I might get some super glue or some other kind of glue and put it. Yeah, cause it's still wet on my hand, so it's still wet. I might have put too much glue in it, epoxy or something, but I'll come back and do like some more glue, like super glue or something, put it in the cracks. That way it'll be solid, cause it's still like that, it's still wet. It's still wet. It ain't even really staying in place. It's kind of bent down on that one, so I need to move it. I need to stick something under it. Hold on. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this sit, man. Let this sit, and like I said, I'm gonna come back with some super glue, put it in them cracks. Even if I can find something that's stronger, but probably just do super glue. That Gorilla Glue super glue. Gorilla Glue super glue. I'm gonna leave this tape on here. You know what I'm saying? Leave the tape on there, and I'm gonna form my when I do my wrap or whatever. Before I do my wrap, I'm gonna form the shape of it around this tape. So I may just put some more tape on there or something, and then put the wrap over it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sand it to where it's, it's cool, but we'll figure it out. But anyway, yeah, that's where I'm at with that. I ain't gonna put too much effort in it, cause push come to shove, I just gonna get another one. All right. They told me they're available, so I talked to KJ. He was like, he gonna check for me. I talked to Mike. He said they should be available. So if I don't get that one right, then I just have to spend a little money and get me another one. So, and this is water. This is water. So I ain't drinking no alcohol right now. I drank that earlier. But yeah, man. With that being said, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video of my shortcomings. Cause man, it's crazy. It's crazy how it's going right now. It's going, but it's crazy how it's going. But yeah, it's your dog, man. Y'all go ahead and hit them links in the description, man. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, talk to me. And yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one, man.